This video is like kind of like stupid and like pointless. Basically the look that we're gonna do today is I'm going to do like the smoky-ish type eye with like this color lipstick with like the brown. I also did light contour, but I didn't like contour. It's just like, well, I just did bronzer because they didn't really, from what I see, they didn't really contour like we do. Okay, I honestly could like leave it like this and then put like lip gloss over it. This looks pretty good. Pretty 90s if you ask me. I'm not gonna put any primer on because I'm gonna take this off in a little bit anyways. But alright, I'm just gonna cover this with some light colored eyeshadow. I don't know why I'm like this. Like, why do I do makeup at like 11 o'clock when you're not even going anywhere? Does anyone else do this? Or it's just what I do when I get bored. Some people do other stuff, but this is what I choose to do. It's my time. I'm gonna start with a brown. I kind of sister screwed up, but you know what? It's okay. There's the like base. Now we're just gonna take a darker brown. Yay. Hey guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I think it actually looks pretty good. Like, it's pretty good, you know what? Yeah, that was weird, but it's fine. We can fix this, baby. It's okay, baby.
It's okay, baby.
Why does it look like that? I don't know what color this is, like silver blackish. Hopefully this will work, and I'm just gonna like put it right here. It's not like dark enough, so I'm just gonna get some black eyeshadow. Oh my god, I kind of like this. If you think this is bad, I'm sorry. I'm kind of liking it. Okay, now it's time for the blush. So I'm literally putting it right here.
What the flipping heck?
I didn't really use highlight, but I must. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Or should I do it like half up, half down? I probably should, right? Oh my god, what if I like did this? Never mind. You can't even really see them, but you know what? Do I care? No, because they're still there. Funny thing is, I think this lipstick is actually from the 90s. I'm not sure. Mascara. Stupid little me. Tell me why I kind of like this. It might become my new everyday routine. Kidding, but am I? Oh my god, I hope this video is like not stupid. Okay, it's kind of like stupid, but you know what? Do I care? No. Kind of. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay guys, so now that the look is done, it's time to pick out the outfit. So I already know what outfit I want, so I'm gonna go get it to show you guys. Hey guys, it's me again. So I had a different outfit planned, but didn't match the makeup, so I didn't really like it. So I just went with this outfit. It's like a loose white top with this white red striped bottoms with my Fila shoes. I mean, it's not like that cute, but it's like okay. I honestly need to go shopping for some new clothes, but I'm waiting a little bit. Yeah, so I just took some pictures, which was honestly not fun because I don't know how to take good pictures in my room, like by myself. It's very confusing because there's no one else to hold the phone, so I have to think of creative ways. Yeah, this video is like kind of like stupid and like pointless. My cat's growling, so it's okay, Rosalina. But yeah, sorry for this like dumb little video, But I thought you might want to see like my 90s makeup, so yeah, I know this outfit kind of like sucks, but it's kind of 90s, right? I don't know. I could have done better. This is the end of the video. I don't even know if I'm in focus, but if you watched this video, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.